matter State of New Jersey versus Sean Higgins.
There does seem to be, at this juncture, a blood alcohol reading of a .087. And based upon saying we would be stipulating as to probable cause, the probable cause would not be based upon the field sobriety test.
Clearly, we can all see from the documentary evidence submitted that this is a serious crime, death by auto or vehicular manslaughter. Essentially, we are dealing with a situation where the defendant's reckless driving caused the death of two separate victims.
All of his family are here. All of his friends are here. He has two daughters that he cares for tremendously and who also care tremendously for him. He's incredibly active in their life. He is a tremendously fantastic father who coaches and spends many hours with his children. He told the troopers everything that happened. He was honest with them. He was open. And despite the fact that he was freaking out, he went down to the police station with the troopers and gave a statement and helped them along in their investigation. The risk of committing new offense, Judge, again, it's just not there here. He has no prior criminal history. He is a 1-1 on the PSA, and he will stay here, make sure that he resolves this case through to its end. The state raises concerns, and the state's language was they're concerned that Mr. Higgins is going to put himself beyond the reach of the court for self-harm, meaning suicide. As we know from the scene, he did say that his life was over, that he effed up. Judge, I think that the court can understand that any person driving a car under the influence, reckless, careless, not paying attention, who strikes two people, and as a result of that, they die, is going to be freaking out. He's going to be considering suicide. He just took the lives of two people. He's no longer suicidal, Judge. They took him off of the suicide watch. So we would hope that Your Honor is going to release him so that he can still provide family.
There's an abundance of evidence that the defendant not only operated his vehicle while impaired, but he did so in not just an aggressive manner, but in an overly aggressive manner. For those reasons, I am going to grant the state's motion to detain Mr. Higgins pending the further outcome of this case. Mr. Higgins does have 7 days within which to appeal my determination. Should he not be able to afford counsel, counsel may be appointed. Mr. Higgins' next court date is October the 15th. It's an in-person hearing in the Salem County Superior Court. It's a pre-indictment conference before me.